What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Top Market Trading here, and today we're going to be talking about one of the hottest EV stocks out in the market right now, Nio, ticker symbol NIO. Now, in this video, guys, I'm going to go over why I think Nio is a buy, currently sitting at $38.68. And I'm also going to go over some big news revolving ARK investments in Nio, and also talk about Nio earnings coming up on April 29th. So, guys, before we get into the video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that subscribe button, and also check out my channel. I make a bunch of stock videos every week about the best stocks going to 2021 that you guys definitely don't want to miss out on. And also, guys, I just opened up a free stock Discord with the link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. It's free to join. Like I said, we talk about stocks all day, offer the best stock callouts every morning, and also offer one-on-one training to help you guys tackle the market. So on that note, guys, let's get into the video. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at Nio's charts for the day, we can see that they are up over 4%, up over $1.60 for the day. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at earlier in the week, we can see that they did, in both Monday and Tuesday's trading session, have a nice spike up to this resistance line here at the $37.51 line. And as you can see here on Monday and Tuesday at the beginning of the session, it spiked up to this resistance line and then just pulled back. And when it pulled back, it did dip on both days, but did end up managing to close both days right around where they opened. So that's a really good sign for Nio. And as you can see today, it's just been on a complete run. Now, guys, as you look at the RSI, you can see that anytime it hit this 72 RSI level, it looks like it's going to be pulling back. So as you can see here, the RSI not too long ago was sitting at 74. So I'm expecting a slight pullback, a healthy pullback for Nio. Coming towards the end of the day, there's only around 30 minutes left in the trading session. So what I'm expecting for Nio is a slight pullback. But guys, honestly, if we pull back the charts, if Nio can just break this $38.61 and hold above it, then that's going to be a really good sign that we can potentially go up to $40 right before the earnings on April 29th. In this article by CNEV Post, Nio is actually reporting their earnings on April 29th after the US market closes. And guys, that's going to be big news. I really think Nio is going to hit it out of the park with their earnings. Now, Nio announced earlier this month that it had delivered 20,000 or over 20,000 vehicles in the first quarter, up over 422.7% year on year and 15.6% from the previous quarter. This is the first time Nio has ever reached 20,000 vehicles in a single quarter. Now that's going to be a big milestone for Nio, and coming up into their earnings, I really think that's going to be a big factor into how they do in their earnings. Now in March, Nio actually delivered a record 7,257 vehicles, up 373.4% year on year and 30.1% from February. And on March 31st, the ES8, ES6, and EC6 reached 95.71 thousand vehicles. Now that's huge, guys. That's meaning that in the Chinese market, that Nio is actually going to be one of the bigger players competing with Tesla. So Nio's 100,000th mass-produced vehicle rolled off the production line as it from its manufacturer in Hefei, Providence on April 7th, a blue ES8. It took Nio around 35 months to reach this milestone from May 27th, 2018, when they first produced their vehicles, and the Nio ES8 rolled off the production line, setting a record for the fastest premium SUV segment in its price range. Now, guys, Nio is just breaking records everywhere, and I think that coming up into April 29th, people are really going to start to see that Nio is definitely worth more than where it's currently sitting at, which is $38.61. I really do, in fact, think that Nio is worth more than $40 in my opinion. And by the end of the year, I'm predicting that Nio could potentially hit those $70 to $80 ranges. And that's going to be a really good sign that Nio for growth is just going to be year over year massive. Now, guys, on top of that, Cathie Woods of ARK Investments also is thinking about adding Nio into its ETFs. As you can see here from this article from WCCFtech.com, Nio, one of the largest EV manufacturers in China, appears to be on the radar of Cathie Woods and her ARK investment fund. As you can see here, Cathie Woods has expressed positive sentiments about Nio in a March interview with Business Insider, saying, "I've been very impressed by the Chinese focus on electric vehicles from both an environmental point of view and a technical point of view or technology point of view." She had gone to note that her team was looking to buy Nio and other Chinese EV companies, including Xpeng and AutoX. Of course, the statement on its own does not constitute the entirety of our thesis. Given the emerging market dynamics, we believe that ARK Investments may be compelled to incorporate Nio and other Chinese EV stocks into their ETFs. Now, guys, that's going to be huge for Nio. We know ARK Investment has a lot of pull in the stock market, and if they add Nio into their ETFs, a lot of people are going to be following suit and doing the same thing, and that's just going to bring a lot of momentum into the Nio stock, which is going to push it up past the $40, which I think it's going to hit very soon, and potentially pushing it up into the $70 and $80 ranges that we're predicting for the end of the year. Now, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only, but for educational purposes only, this is how I would play Nio. As you can see here, they've had an incredible run today. They are up at $38.80. If you guys go and watch the beginning of the video, I'm pretty sure Nio is, I think, 20 cents lower than this. So they've gone up 20 cents since I've made this video. And as you can see here, the RSI is peaking to around the 74 RSI, which is getting up there, guys. So I think Nio is going to have a slight pullback. So what I think is if they have a pullback, we can see a pullback here to the $38 level. Now, as you can see here, if I scroll in closer, it did manage to meet some type of consolidation here at the $38 line. So I'm hoping that it could pull back to $38 before I get in. But if it doesn't, then guys, we could see a run potentially to $40 by the end of the week, which is what I'm predicting for Nio. Now, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button, and also check out my channel. Like I said earlier, I make a bunch of stock videos every week about the best stocks going into 2021 that you guys definitely don't want to miss out on. And also, guys, leave me a comment down below what you guys think about Nio going into 2021. And on that note, guys, good luck in your trading session tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.